This is going to be so unpopular, but I'm sharing this with you anyway. Even if you're going to click away in 5 seconds, once you know what it is, there is something that you can do that heals your gut faster than any supplement or diet change. It doesn't cost you money. And the reason why not everybody is doing it, because it's one, extremely unpopular, and it's actually hard. It's really uncomfortable. And the more you need this, the more uncomfortable it will be. Now, here's the thing. Your digestion only works properly when your nervous system is in this relax and digest state. But while this is a nice idea, in reality, our life supports stimulation, scrolling, notification, information overwhelm, confusion, and it triggers us to be constantly alert and like, oh my God, FOMO, I'm missing something out. I should do this. I'm not healing because of that. Maybe I need to go on Amazon and buy more supplements. It keeps us constantly in the sympathetic dominance, meaning in the alert, in the fight and flight state. So your adrenaline is high up, and every time you're scrolling, getting notification, or watching a YouTube video, dopamine goes up, adrenaline goes up. When you are in this state all your waking hours, and maybe even while you're sleeping, your digestion slows down. It can't heal itself. Inflammation increases. What is this? What I'm talking about, the one thing you can do that is so unpopular? Well, if you're still watching, you're probably not going to be there in 5 seconds once I tell you what it is. It is your phone. What I'm suggesting to you is to give your nervous system a break. Your gut, brain, it's all connected. The vagus nerve goes from your digestion to your brain, and you need to be in this parasympathetic state to heal chronic digestive upset and to digest any foods, to absorb the nutrients, to get everything out of the supplements you're taking, if you take any. The funny thing is, actually, I wrote down my notes really on the paper because yesterday I did the what I call digital detox myself. And surprisingly, I've got a lot of insights and creativity starting up again. So I used pen and paper to draft this video for you. Now, this extended phone pause, besides number one, supporting your nervous system and activating that digest and relax state that is essential for healing. Sorry if the camera is moving, it's windy. Number two benefit, and this is something not very much talked about, is that you'll be able to connect again with your body and with your gut feelings, because your gut feelings and your intuition from your body, which always tells you what's the next step that it needs, what it doesn't like, it's rather a whisper in comparison to the strong visuals we get, phone notification, etc. Now, I do know that this is hard to do, despite it sounds easy, but there's so much connected to our phone. So I want to give you a few tips what you can do if this is hard for you. And again, if it's hard for you, you need it the most, because you might not know this, but adrenaline is highly, highly addictive. It's the heroin from our own body. And it's never meant to be in our body for a long time and just circulating around. So we all have a lot of excess adrenaline. So here are a few suggestions. If you decided to do it, decide a time. For me, 24 hours works perfectly. I did it yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. But if you think about it and you get anxiety attack when I tell you 24 hours, then just choose a shorter time, whatever works for you, even if it's 2 hours or 1 hour. There are things that make that easier. For example, you can get one of these Lockboxes. They literally exist on Amazon. I'm going to give you a link down below where you can put your phone inside, lock it with a code, and then it stays there and you can't open it. Or just give it to your partner or a friend. Second, what I like using when the withdrawal symptoms set in, I use a mantra. So I sit down, I acknowledge that I really want to have my phone right now. Then I sit down and I have an internal mantra that I connect with my breath. It's a common meditation practice. You have just one word. Maybe it's light, or I'm present, or all is well, love. Whatever it is for you, just choose one word or two, and then you just repeat those. So whenever your mind goes to, I want my phone, you just, I'm well, all is well. And you just breathe into that, even just for 5 minutes, helps to get you out of that agitated state. Because your mind will try everything to get you to open that lockbox with a hammer or ask your partner, no, I really just want to check this short thing there, because it is so uncomfortable. Third tip is a mindset change. Instead of giving energy to all the things you can't do because you don't have your phone, focus on the things that you can do right now. Really choose your focus, own your power, and shift it to all the things you can do right now. Maybe you can go for a swim, or this is really cold water, by the way. So maybe this is more like a Wim Hof cold plunge. Or you can go for a walk with your pet or your partner. Or you can read that book or journal or just meditate. So instead of I can't, I can. And last but not least, fourth tip is go to nature. Nature is one of the easiest ways to regulate your nervous system. Just move the body outside, out of the house, into the light, sunshine, rain. Expose yourself to the elements so you can get more in touch with your body. If you watched until now, I applaud you. I would love to hear from you if you have done a digital detox before, or if you're inspired now to do it. And if yes, let me know for how long in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.